welcome to East Van Drone. We are heading off to a special location out on River Road in Richmond, especially because it's often used as a location in the TV show Supernatural, and it's one of the last remaining wooden trestles in the lower mainland. So we're going to go and have a look and see what the access is like, and then go from there. We've got the lovely Denize. She's here to assist and record. So we'll see you out there.
The side I was thinking whether the GPS sent me to the opposite side. This is the trestle.
Game's open. We get down there today. Middle of a field. Where do they get down? Further down. I've just flown here. We're in Richmond. We've just come off River Road. We're down a road that I don't think we were supposed to be on, but it's in the middle of the fields, right in the dikes and whatnot. The gate was open, so we just came in. Hopefully we can get out. But we got some good footage of the railway. They're working on the railway, which didn't help our situation. But I think we've got some good footage, good video, and some fans of Supernatural would probably appreciate this. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like the video, and we'll be bringing you more very soon. Thanks for watching. Adios, sayonara, hasta pronto from me and the lovely Denize.